Potatoes. Everyone likes potatoes. They are the perfect comfort food, so delicious and they can be prepared in so many ways. The potato has changed Western society since it was introduced in the 1600s into Europe, brought over from the Incan highlands. At first, people rejected this ugly root, but it was cheap, easy to grow, hardy, and had 3 times what the calories of wheat and grains. With its high nutritional value and durability when stored over long winters, the potato made sense and helped provide Europeans with much-needed food security. Slowly, it won over the hearts and stomachs of European citizens and became the cornerstone of the modern meat and potatoes diet. People began using, preparing, and eating potatoes in many, many different ways. Fried, boiled, baked, mashed, and so many more ways. How do you like to prepare, cook, eat potatoes? Here are some of our suggestions and the many ways people enjoy this wonderful vegetable. You can simply just boil potatoes. It's quick and easy. Baked potatoes are delicious and a very nutritious way to eat potatoes. Roast potatoes are perfect with any meal and a traditional holiday food. Or, how about gratin or scalloped potatoes? Rich, delicious, creamy. Do you know that potato skins are quite a popular dish? The skin of the potato is actually its most nutritious part. Hash browns are a favorite. Even McDonald's has them. French fries are the most popular way to eat potatoes. Fries are the sidekick of any hamburger. Do you like home fries with your breakfast? They make any breakfast perfect. Potato salad is a great summer dish. It is perfect for a picnic. Do you know you can make potato chips at home? Poutine is a French-Canadian street food French fries, curds, young sour cheese, and lots of gravy. Mashed potatoes are smooth and creamy. I adore them. So yummy. Potato soup is very healthy for you. It's really easy to prepare and make yourself from scratch. Potato wedges with a dip are yummy. Ketchup is probably the most common condiment used with potatoes. Potato pancakes or latkes are simple to make. Many cultures make them in some form. There's also potato dumplings. The traditional Swiss fondue is made with potatoes. Dip them into your cheese and enjoy. Do you know that you can make alcohol from potatoes? It's called vodka. How do you like your potatoes? Let us know and give us a suggestion. Thanks for watching. The end.